so it's working perfectly. This is better than a CD player or a CD uh, transparent layer. So please like and subscribe. So this is we have done with hologram. Now I am going to introduce an app for your hologram making. You can convert any video into hologram, so hologramic video. So type here holo, so you have typed so holaplex is the best app. You have to just install it. Install. Now the app is downloaded. Just click on this. Now the app is starting. Just okay. Now create, allow all, you have to allow it. Now create video, your pictures profile. So I've chosen this video. Now it is creating the hologramic video. So it is the video has converted into hologramic video. So let me show this. Now you can see in the hologram it is perfectly showing here. So the hologram is working. Please like and subscribe my channel. Morning friends, welcome to my channel Gyan A. So today we are going to make a hologram. For that you have to need a transparent sheet or pieces of transparent sheets in small pieces. I have small pieces, not a transparent sheet. That is why I have used this. If you have a transparent sheet, you can use that. Also, 4 pieces are there. If you have a rough side or a transparent side, one side transparent and one side rough side, you have, what we have to do this. If you in the hologram, the rough side is will be in and outside will be, and the plain side will be out. So let's begin. So I have 4 pieces of transparent sheet, one pen, tape, scale and scissor. So now we will mark it out. So take a one piece of transparent sheet. What you have to do this, keep a scale on it. Wait, let me switch on the lights. You can't see the transparent sheet also. Wait, just see this. Okay, even I can't see this transparent sheet. Let me remove this graph. Yeah, now I am able to see this. Now take a scale and keep it here like this. What you just see this carefully. I will not edit this video once more. I will not edit this video. You have to see this carefully. Now I am just taking 1 centimeter to 5 centimeter. Okay, So see this the step carefully, and now I am increasing to 5 to half of the 5.5, and backwards of 1 to 5. see see this carefully, or otherwise you can forget. No. So I have done this. Now you have to just point out, make a square of this. Now what you have to do is, how much line is going downward, just check this side also. Okay, I have checked. Now it is making a square like this, imaginary square. Now we have got the size. Now what we are going to do here, just same size like up and down, same here and here. So now what you are going to do, take a margin from 1 to 4. This is enough for a hologram size. So we have done this. After we will cut, we will erase this line. It will be easy to, that's why don't use permanent marker. I've used this luxury pen. It is a simple pen, ball pen, better than gel pen. Use this pen. Otherwise don't use any ball pen or gel pen or any other permanent marker. Use a sketch pen. Now keep 1 here and half 5 here, so better. Now draw a line here. Okay, the first side we have completed. Now the another side of the hologram we are going to do. Okay, now again 1 here and half of the 5 here. So just mark a line here. Okay, now we have done completed. Now we will cut it for this also, for this also. Now we will going to cut these all the 3 pieces also. Now first we will cut this, and I will keep this up and I will cut. So let me cut it. Use a scissor. Be carefully, otherwise if you done any other mistake, your hologram will be not work. So one piece I have cut it like this only. You have to piece all the pieces, cut all. So friends, we have completed all the 4 pieces here, as you can see. So I will use a simple pen, then I am rubbing this like this. It will easily rub. See this marker, now see magic. You see, you have to see that it has erased. Now what you will do, keep it like this. Okay, make a frame of like this. Keep it like this. You can't see, let me keep it. So make a half hexagon. You can see. Now what we will going to do is, we are going to tape it. No, we are going to tape it like this. The front side, the outside we have to put like this. So I have kept like this. Now take a tape. Now you can see I have taped one. I will tape it another. So be careful while taping it, otherwise you can waste your tapes. Now one side is remaining here. So friends, I've taped all four here, so you can see. Now we have just adjust this like this. Now the last tape is remaining, so let me remove this tape. See, now what I'm going to do is just take it. Oh, nice. The tape is being front. Let me adjust this. Now our hologram is ready. It will look nice and better. Let me show you how it works.